All right, we opened up the Stokes pump. Shop is going to be refinished. We just got done sandblasting it. We're going to refinish the journals on it. Then we're going to machine it. We're going to balance it. Over here on the housing, we are actually going to machine the inside, hone it out, smooth it out, sandblast it off, get all service, repaired. And then we're going to put all your bearings, seals, and then we're going to time it. Then we're going to bench press it and it'll be ready to go. This is scheduled to be finished by tomorrow for the rush service that we are providing. All right, we have an emergency rush job here for a blower for a major corporation for the aerospace industry. This is a Stokes 900 model. The lobes are bad on it, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually rebuilding the lobes. We're going to be putting new bearings, new seals, O-rings, retiming it, and they need this by tomorrow, so we're going to do an all-night shift repair on this to get this up and running for them by tomorrow.